In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit order for price reduction on 1688. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find your product, reach out to the supplier, request a discount, and confirm the updated order price safely on the platform. Start by going to 1688.com in your browser or opening the 1688 app. Log into your account so your messages and orders are saved. Use the search bar to find the product you want to buy. If you're sourcing in bulk, try searching by specific keywords or model numbers to narrow results. Open the product listing you're interested in and take a moment to review key details. Look at the price tiers to see how the unit price changes with higher quantities. Check the minimum order quantity, often listed as MOQ, so you know the smallest amount the supplier will accept. Also, review the supplier's rating and recent activity to gauge reliability. Many suppliers provide better pricing when you order more units, so understanding their tiered pricing helps you set a realistic target. Next, contact the supplier. Tap Chat Now or the message button on the listing. Introduce your inquiry clearly and politely. Explain the quantity you plan to order and ask whether a price reduction is possible. You can ask about bulk discounts, custom pricing for your specifications, shipping discounts based on your delivery location, or bundle pricing if you're purchasing multiple items. Being specific about your quantity and timeline helps the supplier respond with a concrete offer. Some suppliers let you submit a formal price negotiation directly on the product page. Look for options such as request quote, custom order, or negotiate price. When prompted, enter the quantity you want, your target price or budget, and your shipping location. Provide accurate details so the quotation reflects real shipping and production costs. Then submit your request. Now wait for the supplier's response. They may approve a lower price, send a new quotation, suggest a different quantity to unlock a better rate, or share a limited promotional discount. Keep an eye on your messages and reply promptly to keep the negotiation moving. Once the supplier agrees to new pricing, they will update the order price on 1688. Go to My Orders. Open the relevant order, and review the new quotation carefully. Confirm that the item, specifications, quantity, shipping terms, and updated price are correct. When everything looks right, click Submit Order or Pay Now. Finally, complete payment. Choose your preferred payment method, confirm the order details one more time, and submit your payment securely through 1688. Staying on platform protects both you and the supplier and ensures your discount is officially recorded in the order.